Welcome back to 4K Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to program this Apple TV remote to the TV. The first step in doing this is to charge it. Once it's fully charged, we can program it. The two buttons that you want to hold down are the back button and the plus button. After pressing these two buttons together and holding them down for 2 seconds, it should work. The best way to test this is to check the volume. If the volume works using this new remote, then it's programmed. I hope this tip has been helpful. Thanks for watching.